I say, Gromit, our communication from the Cheese Society market urgent. Must be a red Leicester day. Is there a award ceremony? I have been invited to present the prize for best in show at this year's Cheeses. It's a black tie do. Hope I can find something smart to wear in front of the society's movers and shakers. I don't know, that blooming diner jacket is in here somewhere. Pooh, are supposed to be officiating at the Cheese Society event, not smelling like one of the entries. I don't recall it being this tight. Yink! That's tonic! Look up the link on the share, Jane up the chatter. It's a trash diet for me now, lad. Oh, salad. Don't suppose it comes with a slab of Wensleydale, does it? Fat change of me making it through the day on slim picklings like these. Late smacking. Lanark blue. Sombre to flage. Derby. Beautiful brie. Dying for the cheesy nipples. Made things. Oi! Stop that train! I'm booking a seat in the dining car. Come back! This dive place where your Gromit is giving me right run from me, honey. This isn't quite the kind of surgery training I had in mind. You've done a great job on the repairs, lad. It's a snug fit now. And the gold award goes to West Willoughby Wensleydale. Oh, come on, Gromit. It's a celebration after all. For this event, can we just leave and let diet?